everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday, June 29th, and I'm starting to move to Portland. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in the car, but it's mostly just like kitchen stuff. I have a bunch more stuff that I couldn't fit in the car, so obviously I'm gonna have to make a couple trips. But yeah, today Lindsay and I are gonna get started moving, and then we're gonna be seeing Christina later and do an escape room later. Lindsay, what happened when we tried to move in?
There was no one there.
So what do we do now?
I guess we gotta live on the streets. Where's Christina?
Oh my god, it's Christina! Oh my god, hi! She looks so pretty! Look at her makeup! Oh my god, how do you open the door? Ah! Hello! First look at our apartment. Everybody say hi!
Moving through.
So we were able to get our keys and move in yesterday, and Christina and her boyfriend came and helped us move some of our stuff in from our cars. And then we went out to dinner with them last night, and we got drinks, and we did some salsa dancing. And then this morning, Lindsay and I got up, we went to Fred Meyer, we did some grocery shopping. We went to Home Depot, we made copies of our keys. And then we had lunch with Christina and Michael. Now we're at IKEA, we're gonna meet Lindsay's mom.
We're gonna get a couch.
Yeah, maybe.
And you guys said
This is our IKEA haul.
3 hours later.
That aren't inexpensive. This is all just chairs back here. Okay, so I've taken a couple more trips out here, brought some more stuff. This is today's now my third trip out here. This is kind of what the living room looks like so far. Lindsay and I picked out this lamp from IKEA. This is my chair that I had before. She's got a piano there. We still need a couch. Kitchen's over here. We got this little stand from IKEA for coffee. And then my bedroom's still being set up, but I bought a bed and it got delivered today, so I still need some bedside tables. And then I got my bookshelf and stuff over here. But yeah, that's I guess the update.
Okay, so today is now like the 17th. I'm out here for a few days. I've been really back and forth the last few weeks. I think I've been out here like 5 times in the last couple weeks, just taking so many different loads of stuff, coming out here to set stuff up, going home. My mom was gone for a little bit, so Danny and I were like pet sitting. It's been a whole thing. But we've got some stuff kind of set up now. I don't know, I mean, I kind of showed it off the other day when I was here last, but right now we've basically got my chair and the piano and my coffee table out here in the living room. We did buy a couch last weekend, and it's gonna be here on Saturday. I'm really excited. It's like blue. It's gonna go right there, I think. I don't know, we might move this around. Lindsay's got like her whole room set up. She's like all ready. I think she's gonna be living here full time pretty soon. Her room's looking real cute. My room is like barely set up. I've got a couple lamps, but I still need to get some bedside tables, which I'm really excited about. Also, we had to set up the Wi-Fi in my room because this cord is only in my room. So I'm excited to get a bedside table to put all that stuff on. Got my bookshelf in here. Yeah. Anyway, Alex invited me to go do a bar class with her, so we're gonna do that. And I also need to do some grocery shopping because right now I have like no food in the house. Basically, there's just like oatmeal and popcorn and a box of mac and cheese. Now there's literally nothing in the fridge, just water, Diet Coke, and cream cheese.
Here's our new couch that we just got moved in.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's now a couple weeks later since I last recorded. I'm a little bit more moved in now, you can see. My room's looking a little bit more put together. Hey everybody, so I know that this vlog has taken me like forever to do. But I just thought that I would wrap it up with like a little final updated apartment tour. Still not quite there yet, but we're getting there. So I guess to start things off, we have all of our lovely plants here. Oh, well, that one's not actually gonna go there. It's just getting some sun right now, but I think it's been over here in the corner. But this is my tree that I've had for like 2 years. And then here's all of Lindsay's plants. Then we've got the couch set up. That plant I got from Home Depot, so that one's new. Piano's over here, and Lindsay put this little plant up here on the wall here. Finally got a TV, got a really good deal on it at Costco. The TV's just on the coffee table right now because I don't have TV stand yet. But yeah, so that's why the coffee table's not over here. I think the kitchen is pretty much the same since the last time. We did get this tree at Portland Nursery. So that's a new addition. And my mom also gave me this coffee container. We were cleaning out some of her cabinets and she said I could have this. So now we've got this. Oh, also, the microwave is broken, so it's on the floor because I don't know how to get rid of it yet. So we're gonna get a new microwave at some point. I don't know. We also got our like key and mail sort of thing hung up here, so we've got our purses there. I think Lindsay's room looks the same since the last time. I think the bathroom pretty much looks the same too. But this is my room all set up now. I got like a new bed frame from IKEA, and I got these little nightstands. I just made my bed so it looks all nice. There's my painting that I did when I was in China. And over here I've got my bookshelf and my painting from Cuba, and this little cutie snake plant I also got at Home Depot. So yeah, I think that's all of the updates. I do want to get into vlogging more again, so I'm planning on starting another vlog soon, so hopefully that will be up soon for you. Bye!